11 treasures around here.
In Turkey.
In Germany. In Portugal.
In Italy. In Spain.
In
Belgium.
French. In Poland.
Latvia.
Lara.
In Slovenia.
What kind of treasures are they?
Natural treasures of Europe.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear teachers and students of Europe.
Welcome to our Comenius Congress of Youth.
Shh! Someone is coming.
It must be the headmaster of our school, Mr. Matze.
This is now activity for everyone. Name these bronze or name these plants.
Germany. The study and preservation of nature were our main objectives. We visit these wonderful and unique places with respect, try not to interfere with nature and its habitat.
Yes, an important one. Mr. Guest, since the outcome of nature, natural treasures of Europe, was so positive, do you have anything in mind for the future? I mean, another project? Please tell us about it.
Oh, difficult question. I already forgot my speech today, so planning in the future is not so easy. How could I find a better team than that? It's very hard to find a better team, so if you do it one more time, then you have to go through the effort of finding better partners, otherwise it will be worse, so maybe, I don't know, not next year.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. 2 years have passed, and I'm sure we are very different pupils and teachers because we're part of Comenius NaTurE, Natural Treasures of Europe. The social aspect of a project like this one was one of its main goals. This way, and quoting Mr. Thomas Kerr, during the mobility to Portugal, we have changed from strangers to partners, and from partners to friends. The study and respect for nature was the main goal. Let's nurture and spread this message to the end of our lives.
I should feel so sure. I'll tell you to back my